Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, 6 feet tall, without skates. I grew up playing hockey back east. I'm originally from Massachusetts. Literally, from the moment I could start walking, I had skates on the ponds, pushing chairs around. It's funny, I've got photos from when I was a kid. Played hockey throughout school. I was Division I Ivy League, played semi-pro, Canada, Europe, and never actually made it to the show. Very few do. But I'm playing out here in men's leagues. I play 3 nights a week for the last 10 years or so. Absolutely love it. Believe it or not, there is a lot of hockey here in Los Angeles. I play forward and defense where I am now. Grew up playing D. I obviously play offense now. Love the fact you guys are doing hockey. Go hockey. Thanks so much.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up